After a rocking Sangeet ceremony of Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif, the traditional Haldi ceremony will be performed on Wednesday. And sources have said that Vicky Kaushal will arrive in style at the wedding venue riding a 7-horse drawn chariot. The Sangeet ceremony was held on Tuesday night. On the request of the couple, the 700-year-old Six Senses Hotel, Fort Barwara, situated in Savai Madhopur district, has been decorated with a heritage look as the couple wanted something natural other than the artificial decor. Sources said that Vicky Kaushal would be riding a white-colored chariot driven by 7 horses. The security of the wedding ceremony venue is being looked after by the company of Salman Khan's bodyguard Shera. Shera's company is looking after the high-tech security of the wedding. On Tuesday, in the Sangeet ceremony, the bride and groom danced merrily on the trending dance songs. The family and friends also shook their legs on the occasion. Fireworks and colorful lights lit up the fort. Sources confirmed that Rajasthani and Punjabi songs were also played in the Sangeet ceremony, apart from performances by many Bollywood celebrities. Singer Gurdas Maan and Javed Ali also performed in the Sangeet ceremony. Earlier, Sojat Mehendi decorated Katrina's hands. Her family and Vicky's family members also got mehendi done on their hands. After the mehendi ceremony that lasted for about an hour, the Sangeet ceremony started. The entire fort was decorated with beautiful lights. Bollywood bigwigs like Varun Dhawan, Shashank Khaitan, Rohit Shetty, Natasha Dalal, Karan Johar, Kabir Khan, Alia Bhatt, Bosco Martis, Angad Bedi, Neha Dhupia, Anayat Ashraf, Anurag Kashyap and Aditya Dhar will be attending the wedding ceremony. An event management company has been entrusted with the responsibility of making all the necessary arrangements for the big day. Accordingly, special suites have been booked for the bride and the groom at the hotel. While Vicky will put up at Raja Man Singh suite, Katrina will be staying at Rani Padmavati suite, both most expensive suites in the hotel. The tariff for the suites is Rs 7 lakh each for one night. Both the suites have private swimming pools and garden attached to them, while the windows open to a grand view of the Aravalli Hills. As per the sources, Vicky and Katrina will tie the knot in Rajwada style. The couple will take fere at 3 p.m. on Thursday afternoon, and then there will be dinner and poolside party at night. All the guests will be required to undergo mandatory RT-PCR test in order to attend the ceremony. A special reception will be held after the wedding ceremony. INS report.